Hi, welcome back. By now you have seen how to set up your clinics, ready for appointment booking, and how to set up an account to accept online payments. If you have successfully followed all the steps so far in these tutorials, then you are ready to complete the last few steps needed to allow your clients to book their appointments online. First, check that your payment provider account is active. From the main menu, select Sales, then Sales Payment Provider. The account status should be displayed as active. If it is not, click the green pencil icon. The menu should display Continue Onboarding. Click Continue Onboarding to complete any missed steps. If it is active, continue to the next step. Next, update your appointment types. From the main menu, select Settings, then Appointment Types. Click the green pencil icon next to the appointment type to edit it. This time, you will see a new option underneath the color picker, called Charge Type. There are 4 options to choose from. No advanced payment. This option will mean no payment is taken from the user when they book an appointment. We do not recommend this option, as it may increase the number of missed appointments that you have in your clinics. Take payment in full, non-refundable. The full fee will be charged at the time of booking. If the user cancels, they will not be refunded. This option is useful for offering discounted versions of your standard appointment fees for advanced booking. It is usually quite popular among users. Take payment in full, refundable on cancellation. As it sounds, the full fee will be charged, but if the user cancels within the allowed cancellation period, they will get a full refund. Take booking deposit, refundable on cancellation. With this option, you set a deposit level which the user is charged at the time of booking. If the user cancels within the allowed cancellation period, they will be refunded the amount paid. If they attend their appointment, you will need to take a balancing payment in person. If you choose this option, a booking deposit percentage amount field is displayed, which needs to be filled in. The refundable checkbox is ticked or unticked, depending on which option you choose. Click Save to finish. Next, from the main menu, click Home. Choose your store from the grid. You are now back in the store home page. Select the Clinics tab. Click on the clinic you want to edit. You will now see 2 new fields. The Show Clinic in iBooked Online checkbox. Make sure this is ticked. And Hours in Advance Cutoff Booking. This represents the number of hours ahead of which you stop allowing users to book appointments in your clinic. For example, if you set this to 24, then users will only be able to book appointments up to 1 day before the clinic. However, if you set it to 2, then users can book appointments on the same day up to 2 hours before the allotted appointment time. Click Save to finish. Repeat this for each clinic where you want to allow users to book online. This concludes this series of tutorials on getting started with iBooked. I hope you found them useful and have managed to get your business set up. If you have had difficulties with any of the steps in this tutorial or the other tutorials in the series, then please review the episodes again. If you are still experiencing difficulties, please contact us by email at technical@ibooked.com.